Hello then. In this video, I show you how you create the code in Python, and you can organize all the categories for you and the don't, and in this case is your piece. So, for example, you can execute and the code the Python, and you organize what are your category you take care. For example, on the video, the images, for example, the music, for example, the format of the MP3, MP3 in why not? In this case, the documents. And the documents in the Python, for example, the dots, also CBO, in whatever you category you take it, and the Israel, the code, and the Python. So, let me show you how you execute and you writing your code. In this case, is the line on the elements because you can organize you whatever you category. In this case, you the format and the download. So, let me explain. So, I will take it from for example, the path. Well, on the pathlib, this is the only library in the Python, but this is the distance because on the import, I will take the path to the library on the utils and the downloads, and for me, my computer, or in this case, the local dump. I will take the part. Well, in this case, I will design out the destiny folder. In the case, I take the outstation the party. In this case, the party the home. Well, I will take it um, because this is more important. In this case, I take it the on the download local um, because this is the first outstation. Um, this is only the place is I will uh, for example, I will execute the script, and the script in the script they help me on how you they are organized and all the categories. In this case, I will and all the categories. Categories I know the two for the script. Well, in this case, I will do writing, for example, because it's still the four categories. And in this case, in this one those emojis and all the abstraction the taken on in the station. I already you take the emojis. And the second, and the documents. In the documents, I will the add in the this case, the writing. For example, the stage, and then where the now the stage, and for example, the dots, um, three categories of the videos in the only station. For example, the MP3, MP4, uh, pedal and the point the AV and the mob and double mill B. Um, so this is only all the station and the category videos. The audio is the same, and the all and the last and on the others as categories. For example, I just MP3 on the EVOB and the format in the email4 well, net and the I will the add the station the and the two categories. These categories I will already add the for example still the fourth category I will the add the station and the categories. So in this category I will the add the station and the items. These items and I will the add the station the categories for me my code. For example the forestals and I add um, and use the station. This is this is where I because I add the image document videos out audio because this is the add the categories and the add the categories I will the add the station. And this station is for example I will the right and the lower for any of the words and the in this case I add the category. Well, in the next I do return the files. This is the on the book of the while, and the while I the out the destination and the folder. And in this case I add um the same. For example, the integer and the integer is the only the take of the and the vocal because this is if field the is file is the same. Well, in the next is the for file. I will the take of the files. So I have the styles. In the net, for example, I fills the audio the software to the pull lower because I need the station the only in the add the words. This is only taking the for the words is taking the lower. Well, the next the category station the this is only one this in the taking the station two categories I will be get um, in this case in the stealth in the states this is only the on the take of the function because the other the categories I know for example my download and the take of the read in this case the other option is this the folder others destination there's destination folder in the categories because the only the path and the downloads for me module, document, videos, and the audio. In this case, I stick destination there, email there, for example, the style and the sales is the true. Well, I in this case I will add the file the rename destination. The destination there I take the file for example the file and name, yes. I take the article and because this article and this is the only and take you through all the work and the only code and I writing in this case this on the script the article on the Python. And take this. Well, I will show you the on the format I take you the my local downloads. In this case, I to show you the image of the format and JPG and the PNG. In this case, the format of video. Mm, look at this on the through the case they work on the tower. In this case, and the people all the on the real town and oh wow, amazing! This is the good on the parliament. In this case, the document the investigation. Um, oops. uh, yeah, well, so I will the execute, and the execute is this in the order cell for the category. So this is only one to so see you later.